Hey everyone! Today we have a French tutorial inspired by the autumn colors. We'll be using the colors Warm Olive, Happy Halloween, Smooth Avocado, Pumpkin Pie, and Blueberry Kiss. To ensure the longevity of your Doux nails, I recommend always starting with a base powder on your natural nails. For a perfect French look, our dip tray is the best choice. Now, carefully pour some warm olive into the tray. Tap the sides gently and apply a layer of base coat. Next, slowly dip the nail into the color until you're satisfied with the length of the French tip. Generously sprinkle the rest of the nail with our base color, Cotton Candy. You can easily tap off any excess powder and repeat the process for optimal color intensity. Once you're done with the color, you can pour the remaining powder back into the container and continue with the next color. A quick tip: if your nails have an almond shape, place your finger in the dip tray at a 45-degree angle to create a beautiful curve for the French tip. Now apply the activator and let it dry for 2 minutes. Afterward, you can file the edges into the shape and remove any excess dust with a clean brush. Apply a second layer of the activator and after 2 minutes, seal it all with 2 coats of top coat. I hope you enjoy this design and that it puts you in an autumn mood. Feel free to share your favorite fall color with us in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon!